Jamaica has a long relationship with alcohol. It is history, hustle, and celebration in the same cup. Let us break down why rum and beer stay on top. It starts with sugarcane. When cane thrives, everything follows. Molasses, rum, jobs, trade, and a whole flavor identity tied to the island. Under British rule, rum production grew around plantations, and that came with brutal slavery. The truth matters because the spirit carries that past too. Jamaican rum gets its punch from long fermentation. More time means more funk, fruity notes, and that bold aroma you can recognize before the glass hits your lips. Distillers also reuse dunder, the leftover from distillation, to build deeper flavor. It is craft, repetition, and patience, like music rehearsal until the rhythm locks in. Jamaica even protected the name with a geographical indication for Jamaican rum. That is the island saying, if it says Jamaica, it must earn it. On the ground, the everyday favorite is white overproof rum. Wray and Nephew is strong, so people stretch it with soda. Wray and Ting is a classic. The rum bar is not just a bar. It is a community. Dominoes, jokes, arguments, peacemaking, and the kind of belonging you cannot import in a bottle. Beer fits the heat and the long line. Red Stripe became the go-to because it is light, easy with food, and shows up everywhere without acting brand new. Stout has its own loyal crowd. Dragon Stout and Guinness Foreign Extra feel heavier and richer, and pair perfectly with late-night food when the music is still outside. In the dance hall, rum and beer are part of the vibe. A cold lager, a small rum mix, bass in your chest, and the whole room moving like one beat. And some nights, people drink to take the edge off a hard day. It can feel like relief, but the real help usually comes from someone sitting with you. Wine is mostly imported, so it is less central day to day. People still drink it, but it does not anchor the culture like rum and beer do. But Jamaica makes its own holiday magic. Sorrel, fruit wines, and rum cream show up at Christmas and gatherings, sweet, spiced, and tied to family rituals. So the point is not just what is in the glass, it is who is around it. In Jamaica, the best drink is the one that keeps the vibes respectful, the laughter loud, and family and friends close.